Hi guys, welcome to another video. I know it's been a while, but today I'm going to show how to make money on Etsy with Printables. Now, if you've been here before, you know I make money with Etsy and Amazon KDP, and I like to show you how I make these printables, how I make the colouring pages and print and the colouring books for Amazon and Etsy, and I sell them, guys. But if you're new here, then feel free to come and check out some of my videos. Got lots of different ones like free printable colouring pages, niches, what I've found that are good, how much I'm earning, etc., etc. So, but let's get into it, guys. Yeah, and all I do is I come over to Etsy, yeah, and I just type in some like a word, like for instance, lion birthday party. Now you can see here, 210 are searching for it. Now, we can try something else. We can try, I don't know, unicorn. Yeah. As you can see, 8,100 are searching for it. Another one, I don't know, Christmas. It might be Christmas birthday party, but some people do have birthdays. December, look, 880. So, stick with the first one, Lion, because that's the one I've created so far, right? It's only 210. But what I do, I come over to Canva, it's a free creating software. I go to Elements, I click on this here. Now, I'll show you where I got this template from in a minute. I click on it, and I just line it up as best I can. 1 minute. Best I can, yeah, with these lines, yeah. All I do, copy it and paste it here, yeah. Then you can delete that. Then search for, we'll go for lion, yeah. This is one I've used. So I click them in here and I put them in this little character here, yeah. Copy it, paste it. There you go. Now, what I'm going to do now is find a background. Now, this is one I've used, so I'll just go over here. If you look, it's in the background, but we can't see it yet. So I change this to white, yeah, and then I go on the transparency, and I just go down to about 50, so you can see the lions, the background picture. And you can do this with anything. You can, I don't know, you can put a unicorn there, you can put a unicorn background, yeah, and also it's better to have this transparency to 50 so then they can see the background. Otherwise, you're just going to see the border, and it doesn't look like good, yeah. So if, as you see, that's the one I've created. Now, these are the games I've created. So I've got a Would You Rather, yeah, the birthday games, yeah, Would You Rather, and here's the template I've used, so you can see the lion and that, yeah. Got the birthday time capsule, birthday bingo, around the world, category, but it category, yeah. Baby word scramble, birthday I've never, birthday trivia, what's in your phone, what's in your purse, birthday ad libs, and birthday ABCs. Yeah, now you're probably thinking these are going to be hard to make, but they're not, guys. Because if you come over here to a thing called crispy prints, yeah, they've got lots of fun. They've got show bundles, they've got couples bundles, they've got busy book bundles, Bible bundles, road trip bundles, Easter bundles, birthday bundles, Xmas bundles, kids masks, you name it. It's got quite a few, yeah. And if you also go to new printables, it shows new printables coming, yes. So we've got graduation activities coming in later August. Got Halloween prints, wine label prints, math activities, productivity prints, and gift tag prints. Yeah, I'm just wondering now which ones come out. Might be missing one here. You've got baby banners, S-tail banners, and power bundle. Not sure what that one is, guys. That's a new one, that. Anyway, let's get over to it. Let's go back to it. Yeah, so let's just go to the birthday bundle. And all you do is you upload your image. So, for instance, that's the one I created. Yeah, it loads here. No, 1 minute. To grab your template, you click here. Just click on it, and you can get the answer keys. So you can give them the answer keys as well, or your background template. And you click that, it'll download and then all you do is upload it to Canva, which is, get rid of that, which is this here. You upload to Canva and you just drag it onto the page. And if you're wondering what size the page is, it actually it helps you out. It tells you here. So you just use these here, yeah. So 1063 times 1375 px, yeah, guys. So over on Canva you can change the you can change it, you know, the size and that, resize it and all that. Yeah. Anyway, so I'll show you how you do it. Now you can click. Do you know when I showed you, like here, you can change this color? Yeah. So I don't know. We'll keep it as black. It looks better with black. So yeah, you don't have to upload them all. You can just do one or two. So we'll just click two, yeah, and then, or you can select them all if you want. Scroll down if you want to click the bottom ones. You can add a different. So if you want to create sample ones, you can create the same ones, but type in whatever word you want there. You can put your website if you want, or your shop name, yeah, and then it'll upload. So I'll just press create bundle. Now don't press back off this. You can go to different tabs, what's open, but don't press back off this. And this can take, I don't know, anything up to 10 minutes. Yeah, so all you need to do is while doing this, so we'll turn it white, yeah. Remember transparency, drag it down to 50. Yeah. And then what we'll look for, I don't know, what should we look for? Unicorn. Type it in, unicorn. It's loading now, see, this automatically opens. As long as you don't press back on that tab, yeah, it'll automatically open, so it'll show you now those two designs we've created, yeah. So let's just shrink it a bit so we can see it properly. And look, these are two pages we've picked. And that is how simple it is, guys. But I'll quickly show you again. Maybe click that one, yeah. Nice unicorn color background. And we'll just click this dancing one or something like that, yeah. Shrink it a little bit. You're normally supposed to put it in that, but you can have it a little bit bigger if you want, yeah. And then what I'll do, I think it keeps going up. My internet keeps kicking me off, guys. I'm sorry about this. So we're just downloading it. It's downloaded. You come over back to crispy prints, and you can just drag it up into the box. It'll automatically change in a couple of seconds. There we go. And we don't want that one. Let's just do the time capsule. See how fast it is, yeah? And that is how simple it is, right? And then you go over to Etsy and you upload these as either individuals, so you can sell them like on their own. So there's 12 different games, so you can sell them as 12 individuals, or you can sell them as a bundle. And here we are. This is how quick it is, guys. And a bit more. And look how cool it looks. Yeah, that's how simple it is. You go over to Etsy and you type, okay, lion, right? Yeah. You can even type in party games or whatever you want. Yeah. So let's type in party games. That's what they are, aren't they? 50 party games. What people are making them already, yeah. I know there's lots of different stuff, but when people are searching for them, they'll see your games, yeah, and they'll see your games and they'll think, oh, I'm creating whatever theme you've made, yeah. and then they'll see your games and they'll want to buy them. Yeah, look, all these different like party games and that. Yeah, but you're gonna niche it down to different like themes. So then when people are searching for them themes, they're gonna go for it. So then all you do then, if you want to make more, is do what I do and just get rid of games. Yeah, and I just type in whatever I want. So when I said lion, Christmas, unicorn, Halloween, you name it, go through the animals. Yeah, lion, tiger, giraffe. Yeah, go through insects, bugs, bees, butterfly. Yeah, let's just have a look at butterfly. Butterfly, the most 2,900 seats. Lots of people are searching for them. You wouldn't think, would you? So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and check out some of my other videos where I show different ways, different ideas for different styles of printables, not always using the crispy prints. Yeah. So hope you enjoyed it. Thanks very much for watching. Until next time. Goodbye.